Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Sometimes you just need a cute dragon in your life.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I found this pocket-sized cute dragon on Thingiverse. It was originally designed by BS3, but it was remixed by Sebastian V650 on Thingiverse to include the supports, which is greatly appreciated. There will be a link to this in the description below. This was printed in CCTREE PLA on the Robo 3D R1 Plus with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. I'm gonna print it bigger so that it can match the size of this. I really like this model. It's adorable, and I love that it had built-in supports that came off easily. I can't wait to have a bigger one. Hey everyone, just a quick update to this video. I did say I wanted to print them bigger, and I did. I wanted to make them about the size of the clumsy dragon. This is what it looks like with the supports on. So this is what the model looks like without the supports. It looks really cool. I really like this model. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so what do you get when a dragon sneezes? Out of the way!